Yeah, I just had the hardest time trying to get into this car. Anyways, we're here now. So, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to be driving a 350Z or a Fairlady Z for the first time. No, not the first time. I think I drive a Fairlady Z before. Anyways, this is my co-worker, my partner, Juan's car. Funny enough, it's two of them, two ones. Two ones are two. Two ones are two. Two ones are two. Alright, so this is a stick shift. I haven't drove a stick shift since my car been down. I just had so much trouble getting into this car. It's crazy. But nevertheless, here we are. Yeah, I can't play that. So you have oil pressure, you have voltage, and you have, I guess, power. My car don't have that, so I guess that's why people like to see. You have this pointing to Jesus handbrake and this whine. He did say the transmission would be whining, so I guess that's the transmission whine. Alright, first of all, I don't go at this video and things, so turn it straight up. You can see good?
Can see good. Yeah.
Alright. What is your name?
My name is Juan.
Okay.
Juan Ramirez.
Oh, you're Ramirez? I'm gonna lie, I never knew your last name, bro. I'm sorry. Alright. How long you had the car?
I had the car about 3 years.
3 years?
Bought it with 145,000 miles.
And that should be like 170 now?
Yeah, 174.
Alright, let's keep track, bro.
Yeah, it gets me to point A, point B. It's an 05 Sport, well, regular version, 6-speed.
I don't know why, the transmission whine sound like they have some high performance shit. Alright, sorry. Bad dog. So we got shit on one. Alright. You know this area, right? Hold on, okay. This is just the regular DE, right?
No.
It's not DE?
Huh?
It's not a DE?
It's the D BQD 3.5.
Do you have anything done to it though?
Only the intake. That's it.
Oh. No wonder people like that shit. That shit have more, well, there's a lot more torque than my car. You know the brake working. What time is security will leave this area?
Let's go around and see what we can find.
Alright, so right now we're hunting for a clear spot to try to do a donut. Check. I feel like a bitch, I'm gonna lie for you. Bro, I hate to be passenger seat. Passenger seat. Shit. like a child. Nah, the smell of smoke the best. All the tools fall in the back.
Yeah. That's just in case if I break down.
Makes sense, makes sense. The Audi can't do that. Yeah.
All front wheel drive?
All wheel drive, but I mean, I don't have enough power, you know. Alright. Fine. I'll buy a VQ. How much these going for? How much these cars go for?
4.
Home sweet home. Oh, I can't share my location, boy. Right now when I reach back home, I'm gonna tell my wife, hey boy, nah. This is enemy territory for me because I hate VQs, dog. Well, I'm gonna say I hate VQs. I hate G35s.
G35?
Yeah,
That's the best car ever.
Nah.
Let me park next to this Hyundai.
Yeah, park next to my nice, lovely daily. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie for you, dog. When I was back home, them G35 used to give me stress because every time I tried to raise them,
Yeah.
I was breaking down, bro. So now I just hate the thought of a VQ in a G35, dog. But anyways,
Now you got something better.
I'm not convinced yet.
Nah, you gotta drive it yourself.
Can I?
Yeah, you can take it.
Nah, I don't want to do that taking thing at all. Anyways, I'll settle for this. Thank you, cause you know this happened on a Friday. I'm supposed to be home riding, and my wife go beat me. My mother probably called on my phone. Anyways, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Alright. This is the end of this clip of the video. Thank you.